Dash the dash indie dash gauntlet dash marsh dodges attack. 2019.
Yeah. There you go. What does Malucci mean?
Malucci?
Malucci, yeah.
Stands for Gucci Malucci.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's my persona.
Okay.
If you look at my Twitch, Amadeus_SSB,
yeah,
it's
nice
actually my profile picture. The guy in the picture is Gucci Malucci.
Alright. Well, this is a rematch.
It's literally like what I'm wearing right now. Just a black jacket with a hat on and a beard.
Amazing. I want to see this set. I was looking forward to it.
Personally, I really want Berlin to make it back to me because I want a better set than that.
Yeah.
And I know that he can give me a better set than that.
I don't want to
like 3 times.
I don't want to continue to talk about the last set while this is going on.
Yeah.
But it looked like you guys were super toe to toe, except for like a few things.
Yeah.
That like just win your way into it. And that's honestly what separated it. But this one looking just as toe to toe.
Yeah, actually.
That was
Artiria, that was a good read.
Taking the win and winners.
Yeah.
Getting a
Gemini pissed. So.
Yeah, I had to play him afterwards.
Yeah, I'm sorry for you. You look like your brother, so he probably took it out on you.
Yeah. No tag either.
This is it.
I don't know.
I think you got 7th.
He got 7th now. But I think I got 9th at the last World of Fight. I think. I don't know.
Where you know what sucks about being on a snake main? While I watch other matches, I'm like, where's the C4? Like legit, like I have like anxiety because I'm like, what if it blows up on me?
Oh. You know, I don't want to be mean to my brother here, but I never seen it though. I never seen it this time.
Oh. Well, I mean, that should tell you how good he's playing.
Yeah, he's playing.
It's a good thing that he's going to Indie Gauntlet tomorrow.
Yeah. He played really well at the Purdue Weekly yesterday as well.
Okay, so he seems like he's just figured something out.
He figured something out with his game.
Recently.
And something's clicking with Falco.
Yeah.
It's not his.
It's obviously clicking with Falco. Well, it's also Wolf.
Yeah, he took out Gemini with Wolf.
Yeah, Game 3 was a Wolf today.
Yeah. Gemini beat his Falco with the Wolf, and then Artiria went to Wolf.
Which was weird to me. I didn't expect it. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Gemini has like 10 characters.
Yeah.
I don't question anything he pulls out anymore.
Okay.
He could literally pull out Ice Climbers, and I'd be like, yeah, I mean, he likes doubles.
Whoa. I like it.
Yeah, if he had if he was like a stock up, then I would have said go for it.
Oh, absolutely. Okay, that's the Artiria. That's not good. He always does that.
He almost hit it.
Yeah.
He would have if he was close enough.
Oh.
That was definitely the time.
Yeah. Oh, interesting.
Man, wow. Okay. Here I am thinking that this up smash sucks, and Artiria is over proving me wrong.
Yeah.
They definitely nerfed it.
Oh, wow, that's not what I expected.
That was not safe.
That's it. That's you. I'm telling you. That's your airplane.
Oh, that's the handshake. Ooh, wow. He put everything into it.
What?
He put everything into that down smash.
Oh, absolutely.
Ridley did everything.
Gemini Ridley. Did Gemini go Ridley against Artiria?
No, he went Charizard. And then, I don't know.
And then Wolf.
Yeah. Charizard, Wolf.
Okay, so Artiria is not played.
He usually uses like around 7 characters a tournament.
Yeah.
It's kind of wild.
I mean,
it's impressive.
Yeah. Whenever I see him in like other brackets, like, I wonder who Gemini's played. Like,
yeah.
I never know.
Sometimes I wonder who did he not.
Yeah.
Who did he not pick today?
Yeah.
Today, of his characters,
looks like
I
it's
haven't
with the Ridley,
seen...
Though. I want to see him.
I've seen everything. I've seen his Zelda, I've seen his Ridley, I've seen his Charizard, I've seen his Bayo.
Yeah.
I've seen his Wolf. I've seen literally all of his characters today. That's crazy.
Today? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think he missed one anyway. At least none that I know that he plays.
I can't. It's so hard to remember. There's so many.
Oh yeah.
For a small brain like me who only uses one, it's so hard. Yeah. Wow, that would have been really cool if he got it.
Yeah. He hit Vorst with at least, I think, 3 double dunks.
Wow.
At Purdue. Yeah.
And he still didn't win?
That's
crazy.
I know.
That's crazy. Part. You'd think that the momentum of those alone would be enough.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. You know how patient he plays.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Super, like...
He's just a smart player.
Yeah. So he knows not to, like, get shaken up by that. At least. Whereas, I know I wouldn't be.
I would just be like, ooh, alright, time to fix my recovery.
Yeah.
He'll be like, that was nice.
Definitely.
Never getting hit by it again.
Gemini's doing a really... Oh, no.
Very good.
I was going to say Gemini's been doing a really good job of like dealing with
Yeah.
and
I'm going to say it quietly, but it seems that both of these people should be taking advantage of their opponent's bad disadvantage state.
Yeah.
Like the characters, neither of these characters have a good disadvantage state.
Absolutely
Especially
not.
off stage with both of them.
Yeah, they're both so linear.
Yeah, I don't want to say it
There's so much
because I don't want to think. I don't want it to be coaching.
Absolutely. Yeah, 'cause we're so close. I mean, we're trying to face away from them.
Yeah. It'd be funny if we were facing him.
We're talking
Looking him in the eyes.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah, he's fine. He's fine.
You're right.
Unless if he got that that forward tilt.
Do you think? They're both obviously just playing it safe, I feel like, in terms of advantage and disadvantage.
Yeah,
And I feel like I have
it's
to-
almost like they're playing it like kind of safe, but still taking risks.
Yeah.
But the risks aren't big enough to be worth it, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Like, they're taking
look at
risks,
that.
they're getting like an extra 10% from it.
Mhm.
But like, if you're gonna take that extra risk, you should take one like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
Because
one-
look, he's fine. He made it back. He did the left one. You know.
Yeah. He actually is guarded.
Yeah, he edge guarded in a smart way. So he
I like
didn't. He didn't put himself at disadvantage for it.
I don't know if that's F tilt or not F tilt. Okay. Ah.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the kill confirm.
Wow.
I was just talking about that earlier with him.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure that he already
Artiria,
knew.
looking like he's definitely. This is definitely a change of pace for Artiria.
Wow, that was perfect positioning. Literally licked the tail as it flew past him.
Wow. I don't know about that down there. I don't think that was.
I like it.
I heard
It got him a bunch of damage.
Lordy. He's living though.
Mm,
Whoa, he's not.
He is.
I lied. I'm sorry.
This is 1-0 Gemini favor, right?
Currently 1-0, yeah. Last game was a 2-stock. This time Artiria figured something out.
He also gets to play on probably Falco's best stage.
That's, yeah.
This is such a good stage for Falco.
Oof.
I think he keeps
Ooh,
doing
down
that
smash.
jump.
What?
He keeps doing that jump. And he's
Yeah.
getting downered for it every time. He hasn't died for it yet. But God,
That's probably
God
why-
only knows. He will. He keeps it up.
Tough smash. Okay. Artiria just need like one solid back there. Or something. But and Ridley. They're not gonna get like a solid fair spin round. And rack of damage too.
I could see him just getting one hard read with like an F smash.
Oh, absolutely. Fuck it. There's actually a set where Fan just straight up F smashed Artiria and we killed him at 50 to win.
Wow.
Yeah, so it.
I was seeing him get kills like that on SSBU too. Game.
I would be pissed. I'd imagine Artiria too.
That's definitely something that could make somebody play a lot less safe.
Yeah.
Save it.
No, I don't know if I would.
Yeah.
Going back to Yoshi's story, that makes sense. This is a hole that is in. Down 2-0.
He's definitely down in a hole.
Against
Ridley. Yeah.
That's only the first of a potential. If Artiria were to bring it back, Gemini's got other characters.
He has an arsenal.
Yeah, he
That's
has
the
an
best way I could put it.
I mean, Artiria has beaten the Wolf and the Zelda already. No, was it Zelda?
Charizard.
Yeah, the Wolf and the Charizard already.
But this is Metal Charizard.
Yeah, basically.
Or Space Charizard.
Metal Space Charizard.
Well, he's not playing Metal Ridley.
Yeah, you're right.
That's the problem.
Charizard.
He's
Space
playing
Charizard
OG
on a
Ridley.
diet though.
Yeah.
No,
Wow, it's a good.
I thought it happened again. I'm being honest.
That jab locks.
Yeah. Wait, is that tilt? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's hit me. He's hit plenty of people with that.
You were gonna say he's hit me with that a lot of times.
I'm not gonna say that he did or did not. I can't confirm or deny, but did against Gemini, one can only assume how many times he did it against lesser players.
Yeah.
There's your curious.
He's playing really well. He's
Yeah.
playing very safe. His advantage state is looking really solid. His neutral's looking really safe.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't say non-committal, but that does happen.
Yeah.
He pressed the die button.
Yeah. He absolutely did.
He air dodged.
Okay. That was a weird hitbox in there.
If Gemini wins this game, I think he'll win losers finals.
You think so? You think he's kind of going to come in
The
hot?
momentum he would have going into losers
I mean, yeah,
finals
3-0ing.
against the momentum that Malik has right now.
Ooh,
Yeah.
you're super correct. And then wouldn't you be scared then? Wait, then Gemini had him. No? You're confident? Alright, I like it. I like it.
I don't see the point in getting scared about it.
Mm-hmm.
Either I'll win or I won't.
Yeah.
I'm just looking to learn.
I can respect that.
Education gang, as Voice would say.
Yeah. Education gang, I hear you. Gemini, looking kind of live still, even though he's on his last select this game. I will say. Maybe. Gemini is expecting him to go above ledge with that side B a lot, and Artiria's just not giving it to him.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, is obviously smart. And... Oh.
Moving to game 4.
Game 4. Alright, that was a 2-stock.
Yep, he's bringing it back.
I think
definitely with the assistance of the 8% SD.
Oh yeah, you're right.
That does
you're right.
do that. Yeah.
I forgot. Do you think Gemini's gonna stay, or do you think he's gonna stick with it?
I could definitely see him switch, but
Yeah.
I don't see the point.
Yeah.
He's done fine. The Ridley's done it up to now.
TNC.
Oh, I don't think he's going Ridley.
What?
I don't think he's going Ridley.
No. Do you think so? No. Wait. Hello?
I forgot about the Greninja.
You have a Greninja.
Yep.
Okay.
That's a character he's been working on.
Okay.
And he's up 2-1, right?
Mm-hmm.
So he can afford to lose one.
A test. I can see it. I mean, they're both making money. He's making money either way if he wins or loses.
Yeah, but I know Gemini. He wants to win the whole thing.
Yeah. I can respect that.
He would be a lot happier.
I'm wondering why Artiria switched to WoF.
Me too.
You think he's...
It might be because it's a bigger stage. Easier to laser camp.
Yeah, but he hasn't really... Okay, I can hear him
Oh,
now.
there it is. Oh,
Yeah, I was about to say,
hope
like,
he didn't hear me.
Yeah.
That would suck.
That would super suck.
That would super suck.
I'm gonna be super vague about everything I'm saying.
Hope they didn't hear me.
Yeah.
They.
I think they're both doing a great job hitting each other.
At hitting each other.
And racking up damage.
I definitely don't think that they're getting enough off of their neutral ones.
I think...
Both of them, actually. So.
Yeah. I think they both need to edge guard.
Man, what time is it? I'm scared. 10:20.
Yeah. It ran late. As expected if IUPUI events, they always run late.
You guys have it till midnight, don't you?
Yeah, we have it till midnight. And later, assuming nobody comes and checks on it, which nobody usually will. Oh, down smashing. It'll hit him eventually. And it definitely did. Alright, is that true? Didn't look like it.
No, that looked like it was just a covering and landing.
Yeah. That up air.
Yeah, you can up air somebody like 5 times in a row and it's true.
Why don't I see anyone ever use it though?
Just wait until tomorrow at the Indie Gauntlet.
Yeah?
You'll see it from the stream.
Ooh.
Amadeus_SSB.
Oh, you stream it from... Okay.
Yeah.
Neat.
I usually stream the GG events from my account.
Yeah. Is Gemini going, I assume?
Yeah.
Okay. Who else is going? If you want to advertise a
Cells.
Ooh.
Cells is making it out. I'm pretty sure Cells Percy is going to do their first team in Ultimate.
Oh. Aren't
yeah.
they like a really good team?
Yes, they were the best team in Indiana in Smash 4.
Okay.
Who else? I'll just pull it up on my phone.
Yeah, just pull it up. Just pull it up really quick. Wow. Gemini. That was a good DBB for Gemini.
Oh my god, Gemini was dead. Hella dead.
Oh, I don't know about that. Artiria's throwing out F matches up here. They're working though, I guess. Dang.
Who the fuck is Rando?
Rando?
Some guy who was... What? Who did he beat?
Uh-oh.
It was an unseeded play. He was literally the last seed of today at FT Friday.
Really?
And he... Oh my god, he made it to winner's semis, lost to Gus.
Oh, Gus?
He is now in grand finals against Gus.
Wow.
Yeah,
Interesting.
he beat Mr. Rue. Oh Hydro and Modelo Time,
Oh, Modelo Time?
who I had
Sick.
as the second seed.
I love Modelo Time.
He's awesome. Yeah, I love. I've known him for a long time.
He came to the last world to fight.
Yeah, he told me about it. He said that he did all right.
He got top 16. I think he got 13th. Yeah.
I would expect better than for
I
that.
forgot who he
Now,
lost
at least, he's gotten a lot better.
Yeah. He lost Artiria, I believe, actually.
Yeah, he like consistently gets like at least like 4th or 5th
Yeah,
at the
he's a
GG
really good
weeklies.
DD. I think he's got a drawn a bad draw. in the
Probably.
bracket. In my opinion, at least. But in other news,
This is very close.
This is a very tight game 4, and either of them can take it. Obviously, I mean, it's 70 to 90%. Greninja has a nice go terms, WoF, just as much, if not more. What's going on?
That's 3-1.
3-1, Gemini.
Okay, so
Got the run back.
Mysterica, Percy, Israel, Vorst.
Oh, that's so good. You and Gemini.
Artiria, Gemini,
Yeah, Artiria's going too.
Pizza Jesus,
No.
who I need to take out.
Yes, you do. Get me the fuck out of there.
Cells, Prod,
Okay, okay.
SSBU, Enma, Monty, the
Monty.
people's favorite.
Who's favorite?
The people.
Oh, yeah, Monty's like the fan favorite.
He's
Like,
the people.